Okay, hi guys, Neil here from Red Winches. Just a quick video on, or quick start guide on the King Cobra, how to get it wired up, how to get it all running. So, what we've got here, we've got our air solenoid assembly. That needs to be mounted to the vehicle to create a negative earth. So first thing you're going to need to do is take an air line from your onboard air system on your compressor on your vehicle, and that goes into this socket here. So this is our air in. That is feeding the air solenoids, okay? Next one is our air brake. Now the air brake is controlled by this solenoid here, so we're going to plumb from that port up onto the winch and into this port on top of the air brake here. That's our connection done, so now we've got an air brake connected. Next one is our drum free spool. So we're going to take from this port here, going to connect in, and we're going to run this line across to the port on the end of the drum, and that will control the free spool for us. That's all the air connections done. Next thing is directional control for the actual winch itself. So we're going to take the loom here, and with the 3 wires, we've got the black wire is the earth. That is our center position on the end here, and then you can see how they're spaced. We can't get it the wrong way around. So, earth in the middle, red to the front, and brown, and that's our connection made. Okay, so now we've got our signal control, we've got our air control, final connections, positive and negatives. For the negative, we've got this buzz bar on a twin motor joining the 2 motors together. If we've got just a single motor assembly, then it would be on one of these screws at the front of the motor. So we'll take our negative cable, M8 lug at this point, onto here, and we can attach that one. Remember, with a twin motor, 70mm cable as a minimum. We are supplying 70mm cable in the kits. And then the final connection is our positive. So it's this terminal on the Albright. Again, an M8 lug. Again, 70mm cable as a minimum for the twin motor. 50mm is fine for the single motor, but 70mm as a minimum for the twin motor. And again, we'll connect that onto there. And then obviously these 2 cables running direct back to the battery, not earthing through the chassis or anything else. Only thing that we're having between the winch and the batteries is an isolator. But there we go. There's all your quick connections. Hope that helps.